Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 8 to you, which is July the 23rd through July the 25th. We're just going to be focused on reviewing and writing. For this week, you're going to want to review pages 186 to 187, 198 to 199, and 202 to 207. There are no module objectives or no learning objectives for this week. It's just dedicated to critiquing one another's writing and making sure the writing you critique, you just need to make sure that the writing that you critique has used the preterite tense to write a cohesive paragraph of no fewer than 8 sentences. You can read here the description of the assignment again. The assignment is due by the 26th, 2018. You do want to, there's no videos to watch, but you still want to open up the class participation form, click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about the class so far. You do need to post something, even if you just say I have no questions or concerns. We are working on Oral Dialogue 3. You did a workshop for the past 2 weeks, so if you go back up to here, you'll see Workshop 3. I'm going to move it down, but if you remember, Workshop 3 is where you're answering these questions, so you should see this workshop. It'll be right here above Oral Dialogue 3 when we get to that point in the semester. You'll open it up, see what suggestions people have made for the script that you wrote, including myself. You'll take those suggestions, and when you're ready, you're going to open up the Oral Dialogue 3 assignment. Okay, and this one will just ask you the questions, but you've already seen them, so you don't necessarily need to watch that. You can watch the video right here or look at the written instructions, and it'll explain to you how to make an ILOS video, and then when you're ready, you'll hit record. And then when you're done with your recording, you need to copy the link that goes to your recording and click Add Submission and paste your recording link here. I suggest doing this a little bit early because if you run into trouble with ILOS, you could reach out to me and I can give you some other some other ways that you could do your recording, okay? Writing assignment 2, last week you were working on, where is it? The script for writing assignment 2. If you open this workshop up, it'll remind you what the assignment is that you're writing about yesterday, what you did yesterday, and these are the things that you need to include, like talking about your schedule, what you did in the morning, what you did, you know, if you went to classes, what classes you went to, your work schedule, where and with whom you went, what did you eat, etc. And everything should be in the preterite because we're talking about the past. So this writing workshop will be moved here, and you will see someone else's paragraph, and your job is to critique their paragraph. And others will be critiquing yours as well, and myself included, I'll be critiquing everybody's. And that's everything that you have to do for week 8.